All right, in this video, I wanted to show you how to do the second part, this challenge of the worksheet, soil erosion and soil triangle worksheet. And so on the first part, you were given two percentages, and then you have to figure out one of them. So if the three add up to 100%, you take the two that you're given, add them together, figure out the one that's missing. All right, and then you put those three into the soil texture triangle and you get the soil texture. With the next one, you're given the soil texture, you're given one of the percentages, some of them they don't give you any, and then you have to have them add up to 100, but then they have to be within that soil texture in the triangle. So let's do that together as an example. All right, so I'm gonna put in a text box really quick. You don't have to do this, but it was 36% sand, okay? And then the answer is clay loam. The soil texture is clay loam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a line at 36% sand. So sand is at the bottom here, 10, 20, 30, 40. So it's gonna be halfway between the 30 and the 40. Okay, so here is my sand line. Okay, so we know it's a clay loam, so it's gonna be within this little trapezoid or whatever these things are called, within the clay loam. So in order to figure out the percentage of silt and the percentage of clay, it has to add up to 100. It has to be within this shape here, and it has to intersect with this line that's already here. So easy way to do that, you can either choose one of these solid lines that's already there. So you can either do 30% clay, or you can do this 30% silt line that intersects in the line. So let's go ahead and do 30% clay. And I'm going to create a line at 30% clay. So clay is over here. The arrow is telling me to go from left to right. I'm going to make that green because I've been having all of my clay be green in color. So then if I have 36 here and I have 30 here, you can just do the math, and this is going to be 34. So as long as they add up to 100, 36, 34, 30 adds up to 100, and it's within the type of soil texture that's given, then you have it correct. So we're going to go back here, 34 and 30. So we're going to have 34% silt, 30% clay, and it was a clay loam, right? With this one where you're not given any of the numbers, this one's a silt loam. So let's go back here. Oops. Silt loam. So where's silt loam? Here's silt loam right here. So you can just choose a point. Like, so I'm going to make a little, make a circle. Right there. Okay, let's make that transparent so you guys can see inside. Okay. Okay, so let's just make it that point within the silt loam, and then that's going to be 60% silt and 20% clay and 20% sand. Easy peasy. Okay, so the three numbers have to add up to 100, and you just choose any point. So the point could be here, right? So then if the point is there within silt loam, it can be 10% clay and 60% silt and 30% sand. Okay, all right. Email me if you get stuck on this and you have questions.